now. Okay, good morning to everyone. So we're going to do our first part of the morning. Today we're going to do the presentation for web programming for group number 1 for section number 8. Okay, so I'll be sharing you the link in a short while to all those who are tuning in through the YouTube channels, right? Okay, so I think everybody should be getting it now. I think everybody can start the presentation now. All right, so go ahead, team leader. Okay.
Can you hear me, Doctor?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
All right. Very good morning to Dr. Sheikh and Dr. Anita. We are Group 1, which consists of 4 members, which is Mao Kai-shen, Tan Ka-kun, Yu Ka-wei, and myself, the leader, Chai Ming Choi. So the template that we have chosen for our project will be the restaurant template as shown on the screen right now. So this is the initial template that we have chosen. So now I will highlight on which part that our team has chosen. So for this part, this first part, the about us part will be myself, and the latest from and the blog part will be for Gawei's part, and then the menu part will be Kai-shen's part, and we didn't do for this part, we do for contact us, contact info, and latest blog for Kakun's part. So we'll start our presentation by this sequence of the flow. So I will be starting. So this will be our login page. So I will show my part, which is the forgot password first. So if the user they forgot their password, then they need to type in their email, and then they need to press the reset password button, and then this please reset your password message will be displayed. And once click OK, they can reset their password here. For example, I set to 1234. And if the password, if both of these passwords are not the same, and I click reset, it will say password does not match and goes back to this page, this reset password interface. And then if the password is the same, it will successfully reset the password. For example, for this email, I have reset password to 1234, so I can just log in. So this will be the password for this admin at Yahoo, which is an admin account. So without further ado, once I log in as admin, then I can access this admin index. So first I'll present my part, which is the about us, which is this it previously is shown as this, but after some changes made, I changed to inserting the chef name and description. So let me show you the page first. All right, so this will be the about us part. I just put the image, the title, and description, and it goes on for the chef in the restaurant. And then I can do insert, update, and delete here. Let me show, and I can also change the title on the top. But for this title, we make a note to the user because we have the black color text and the orange color text. Then we said to the user, if you want to make the color the word in orange, then you need to put your word in the span, because maybe the user doesn't know about programming. So we just make some notes here. So I can change my title here to something else. For example, my restaurant chef. Once I press save, oh sorry, let me do it again. Okay, wait, let me refresh again. Sometimes I don't know why. Sometimes it can and sometimes it cannot. Let me just change the whole thing. Still doesn't change.
Yep.
Wait, let me.
What's going on?
Oh, sorry, Todd. Let me restart my.
Okay.
Let me restart my Zen.
Okay, right.
A while. Sorry.
Okay,
Okay.
never mind.
Zen. Okay. Let me close this browser first. Project table. Okay. Browser. Oh yeah, can. Wait, let me reshare my screen. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Where's my Zoom? Doctor, can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So once I change the title here, it doesn't save again. Wait. Let me retry from here. Let me
I
try
think your
and log in
updating is not
again.
working. Maybe.
Just now I try is working, but sometimes when I click the second time to update, it doesn't work again. I'm not sure why.
Can you check inside the DB?
Delete or update?
Yeah. Maybe something's wrong. Maybe it's my laptop's problem. For this one, I think because we did the same for every part, so so I think they maybe later they will show this part for
Okay,
for
you
you
just
all.
say right. Okay, yeah, this you cut this one.
Yeah.
Cut, and type ABC. Okay, save.
Yeah. You can. Yeah, it will change. And once I go to, oh, yeah. once
Can
I
you
view page
see?
here, yeah,
Okay.
The
you can
ABC.
change. Yeah,
I
you change.
think it's something with your special characters when you're trying to save with like a code, slash, bigger than, smaller than, it does not able to accept.
Oh, I see.
Mm.
Okay, okay.
Possible, alright, possible.
All right, I'll take note on that.
Yeah,
Doctor.
it's okay. Alright.
I put, for example, I put this my title. It doesn't change again.
I doesn't change again. Right.
Maybe it's because the
Just type my restaurant. Okay, save.
oh yeah, I think it's because of the special character, the apostrophe. Yeah.
Yeah, possibly, yeah.
Okay. So this is
Okay,
for the
right.
title.
I think I can add the span. Span, I think you can add already, but without the
Yeah.
apostrophe.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, I think now I can save it. I think.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Yeah, and then you can see the
Okay.
person become orange. Yeah. Sorry for that, Doctor.
All right. Okay.
And then let me show delete first, since it is the easiest. So once I click the delete button, you just delete the sorry,
Not deleting.
fine, today,
Not your lucky day today.
yeah, not my lucky day. Never mind. Let me try other function first. For example, this one, I just change to ABC, and then I change to another image. See if I can update it. Yeah, I can update it. See, it changed to another image, and then change to description. See if I can delete this one. Yeah, it's deleted. Okay.
Something's weird.
I can delete this one. Yeah, now it can somehow.
Somehow.
Yeah, so that's all. This is the view page. And then once I insert, once I insert, for example, ID1, I put this back. I want to put shift 1, and then I just put some random description first. If we put this as the text area, because once the description is too long, they can just go down and see from here. And then once I save it, it can insert from here. So this is the insert, update, and the delete function for the about us. So next, I will pass to Gawei for the login part and his own part. Gawei, can you share your screen?
Okay.
Kawei block, right?
Yeah.
Block part. Okay.
Okay. Now can share. Can see my screen?
Yes, can.
Yes.
Okay. So for the login part, you cannot log in when you cannot access the index before you log in. You will go back to the login page to ask you to log in, or the admin index. Sorry. Yeah. So now for the register for the user, the users can register for to log in. Yeah. So his name is A for the Yahoo, no, Gmail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and register. So when you use the username tag, we register. So we register, we will just go through the user index. Yeah. One time. Then now we go to the index. Now we go to the plots, the CLUT for plots. Send as the min choice, the title. Which can change the title from the change the title from here 1, 2, 3, and then save. It will change the 1, 2, 3 here, and then when we refresh, it will show the 1, 2, 3 here. And then for the insert, we add the foods, add, and the FI rice description, add rice, and then we choose the picture. And then save. It will insert the FIRS at the edge, and we await the outlet, just like 1, 2, 3. Blah, 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 blah. It will show all the description and then save. It will change the description, yeah, and we delete it. It will delete. Wait. When we add, we refresh here, it will show in the user index page here. When we delete it, and we will refresh the index page, it will delete. It will delete the FI rice. Yeah, this is my part for plots, and we will pass to Kai-Xuan.
Hello, doctor, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear,
Yeah.
but your voice is a bit slow.
Okay, can you see my screen right now?
Can.
Okay, so for my part, I'm doing for the menu part here, right here, and I also do for the purchase order and my order right here. So first of all, I will go show for the menu parts. So it's the same as the other for my teammates. I also can edit for the title right here. So when I change anything, here is our menu. And I press save. You save, and when I view page, here you also make changes. So when I put it back, you just remain the same. Okay, like this. So this one for here, everything for the receipt is can make changes. So as you can see right here, I can insert the recipe. 7. Fried egg, maybe, and delicious food. So for the price right here, I put input as the number. So when I press anything other than the number, it will just display, please enter the number. And I also set the price for minimum is 0. So when I press less than 0, oh, sorry. Oh, the price can set for any number. So for example, it's 50. Okay, the fried egg, and you say the description is delicious food and the price is also 950. So I can also update the recipe. Maybe I change some description. Delicious food egg. Please enjoy. And for the price, maybe I change to 20. So all the changes will also be made. The fried egg again. And the price also change. So when I press the delete recipe, oops. Okay. Maybe I show it again because I forgot to show it in the X part. So maybe here you can see I change it to egg rice again. So normally it's an egg rice. So it will display right here. And also the price also changes. So when I delete it, it will delete from the index also. So here is everything for the insert, update, delete for the recipe part. So now I'm going to talk about the order right here, the purchase order. So as a user, you can purchase order. Press right here. And you can enter the name. Okay, for example. Press, for example, I press here is everything for the recipe part. So you will display all the details where you want for the food and the price and the quantity also. And when press order, it will say the order is successfully added. So when I go my menu parts and press for my order, so it will display right here at the number 5. So when I log out as a different user, and when I press for my order parts, it will not display for the one for the user just now. So it's completely empty because this user does not order anything. So when I press purchase order for this user, and I order something, here when I refresh, it will display for this user only, the order that he or she made. So this is the part that I've done for this is okay. So for the admin, you can also check every order that the user made. So you display everything for every user made, the name, the order, and the quantity right here. These two is the just now I made. So even the different user, everything is recorded to the database for the admin. So I think there's a part for my purchase order, my order, and the update, delete, insert for the recipe part. So now I will pass for Kakun for doing this part. Kakun?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, I'll present about the contact part, which is our contact us, the contact info, and the latest blog post. For this contact us, the user can send the message they want to send to the admin. For example, this one. Okay. After they press the system will show this message, and the admin can see the message in this part, which is this one. And the admin can also delete the message. Okay, that's for the message. And next will be the contact info. The admin can change the title of the contact info. For example, I add a ace here. Okay. Okay, here we'll also change. Okay, next, if I add another contact number, okay, it is added, and here it is shown. Okay. Now, if I update the contact number, okay. For this update function, the admin can only update the details of the contact, but not the type. Okay, next, I will delete this contact. Okay, it is deleted. And here is deleted also. Next is the latest blog post. Okay, this one can also change the title. Okay. Here also change. And we'll add another blog post, which is for July 11. Okay, it's added, and here's also added the new blog. Okay, I will update it. Okay. Now I change the details of this. Okay. Okay. This area is also changed. And next, I will delete this one. Okay. It's already deleted, and here is also deleted. Okay. I think that's all for our presentation for this restaurant template.
Okay. Right. Before we give an overall comment, do you have anything that you want to highlight? Anything at all?
Highlight.
Anything? Anything you want to update? No? Yes. Oh, you're happy already with what you have presented?
Uh, of course, we're happy
Is it? Are you happy?
because we have done.
Okay, guys. No comment?
Doctor, can I add on? Because
Yeah,
just now
yeah.
I think I haven't show you once I update delete I haven't show you the index page.
Okay. Right. Go ahead.
Doctor, can you see my screen?
Can.
I show my for example, now I update oops, sorry. Okay, and I say, and then my index page also change to this one, and then and also the once if I update the photo, you also change here,
We also
and
have a
then once and then if I didn't change the photo at all, you still remain the same photo. You still remain the same photo, and if I delete, it'll be gone from the list. That's all.
Okay. Right. Okay. Before you go further, okay, you don't alright. Close your share. Okay. Can you go
Yeah.
to update first?
Update. Yeah.
Okay. Do you see anything interesting here?
Interesting.
Anything that you should add up? What do you think?
Maybe. Oh, the alignment.
Okay. The alignment is not nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's one. Right. And there's a spelling mistake here.
You
Oh.
Previewing.
previewing.
Oh, because I just put the name in my code.
Okay, right. So then you go back. Okay, go back. Go to block. Okay, go to block.
Here.
Okay, and go to update.
Here.
Okay, so the same
The
problem.
alignment. Yeah.
Right. So this one also the same word, wrong spelling again.
Yeah.
Okay, then go back. Okay, and then go back again. Okay, go to latest post.
This one.
Okay, you go to update. Okay, what can you improve? Okay, this one is nice, but still not very smooth lah, right? Okay,
Yeah.
what can you improve some more? Yeah.
Maybe this one can change to the text area one because
Okay,
it's quite long.
Right, how about this one?
Maybe you can change to the date format. Once we select the date, it will just
Right,
display.
you can use the HTML format so that you can actually drop, right?
Yeah.
And then how about ID?
Okay.
ID.
Okay. If you enter an ID number, which you do not remember, you do not know how many are updated block already, maybe like after a year or two, do you still remember what is the last ID?
No.
No. Then what is the significance of putting the ID then?
Name?
Okay.
No.
You can put it to automatic actually.
Using while loop?
This one no need to put. You just put the date and put the details. So the ID don't need to put. So this one inside database you set as automatic auto increment.
Oh. Okay.
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 But there's one for updates, sir.
Update, even though update also. Even update or you don't need to show actually.
Suppose we do not need to show the ID
because they not going to update, right?
Yeah, not valid. But for insert, I think yes.
Insert also you do not need as well. You just leave it
if they do it as a auto increment, because auto increment actually automatic,
correct.
so it's already there but hidden, right?
Yeah.
Hidden for user view.
Yeah, it's
But
there, but
once
it's
you
just hidden.
insert but once you insert the new record, actually the ID is auto increment, automatic increment, but it's hidden in our user view part lah. But in the database, actually keep the record in your database.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one actually to handle if we have 1,000 of record or after 10 years, so you cannot remember currently what ID right now. At the purpose lah. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So far goods more standardized, consistent. Right, sir?
Yeah.
Anything else, Doctor?
Okay. Then okay. Right. Okay. Go to the index again.
Here.
Index for the customer.
Here.
Okay. I think most of these things are okay. Okay. I think you have used the template very well. And everything
Even you
looks
can change the
okay.
title.
You can change the title. So I think quite okay lah. Quite good. Not bad. Okay. Right.
Although they can do for purchase, means they have to site user lah, admins. So user can order and then admin can view. Good.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Interesting. Okay.
Okay then. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
So,
Thank you, Doctor.
so you make sure you compile your you integrate and then you compile in one project.
All right. Doctor, where should we
Right.
submit it in the Google Classroom?
I already upload to your e-learning, so you need to submit with 3 platform, e-learning, Google Drive, and Google Classroom. So for a backup.
All right. Doctor, each member need to submit.
No. You need to submit. Actually, you need to integrate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to integrate. Then you submit the integrated one. So one database.
Yeah.
And then all the 5 compiled together.
Oh, so each of us need to submit the compile file, or just one of us need to submit the
one leader only. One group only submit.
All right. All right,
okay.
Doctor. Okay. No problem. All right. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you for your
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Allah, tertutup dah pula ni. Sekejap. So, group number 2
Break kejap. 10 minutes.
Sekejap group number 2. Kita break sekejap 5 minit.